This is Tom from the National Weather Service in Raleigh with your routine Thursday weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. This will be covering the period Thursday, May 25th through Wednesday, June 1st, 2023. The upcoming weather pattern, it will be mostly cloudy but dry today and into Friday. Rain will be moving in from the southeast to the northwest Friday night into Saturday. Saturday is not going to be a pleasant day. It is going to be rainy, it is going to be windy, and it will be unseasonably cool. We do have the potential to end up setting record cold high temperatures for that day. Rain is likely to continue Saturday night, Sunday, and Sunday night. And then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we have a chance of rain throughout that portion of the forecast. We do not have a chance of thunderstorms Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday. We do have a minimal chance of thunderstorms Monday through Wednesday. And the only day at this point where highs may reach our normal values are next Wednesday, and even that isn't certain because some of the early model runs that are coming in are suggesting Wednesday may still be below normal. Taking a look at the precipitation forecast through the next 5 days, in the upper left panel, you can see that the rainfall is just starting to make its way onto the North Carolina and South Carolina coast by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. You can see that most of our pretty much our entire area has some amount of rain forecast by 8 a.m. Saturday morning. You can see our heaviest rainfall would end up occurring Saturday and Saturday night. And then we do still have rain in the forecast on Sunday and Monday. So if we take a look at that 5-day total in the lower right, anywhere that you end up going from the shade of blue to a shade of purple is 1.5 inches. And you can see that that covers nearly our entire area. When you go from the purple to the red, that's approximately 2 inches. And then if you start hitting the orange colors, that's closer to 3 inches. So a solid inch for at least everybody in our forecast area, if not more, over the next 5 days. And again, we do have that chance of showers continuing into even Tuesday and Wednesday. Taking a look at the North Carolina drought, the assessment period ended Tuesday, May 23rd. The drought monitor is always updated on Thursdays and includes rainfall from Tuesday to Tuesday. So in the bottom right corner, it shows that the change since last week was 1% of the state has been removed from abnormally dry. And in the what's changed section in the upper right, it says that it was Swain and Hyde counties that had some of the abnormally dry areas removed. We still have some in our southwest. That being said, I would not be surprised if our rainfall over this weekend manages to take care of those remaining abnormally dry areas. The severe thunderstorm potential, you can see the big image on the left for Thursday is showing no chance of thunderstorms in our forecast area, nothing across the state on Friday, and then on Saturday, there is a chance of thunderstorms just across our most southeastern portions of the forecast area, but there is no severe weather expected at this time in our forecast. Now, that being said, let's shift our look to the Weather Prediction Center's excessive rainfall outlook. You can see that on today's graphic, there is a less than 5% chance anywhere. You can see that marginal risk of a 5% chance just barely clipping Sampson County on Friday. And then you can see a good portion of our area is in the slight risk in the yellow on Saturday with the rest of the area to the north. So as it says in the key points, the threat for excessive rain will begin Friday night, increase on Saturday, ... I've added another slide here. There is an experimental day 4 and day 5 excessive rainfall outlook that WPC issues. The graphics are slightly different, but as you end up taking a look in the bottom left-hand plot on Sunday, that is showing green for the entire area, our forecast area and surrounding counties. And then by Monday on that experimental forecast, that's showing mainly the eastern half to 2/3 of our forecast area remaining in that marginal excessive rainfall outlook. So again, we have our typical slide that we would look at just focusing on the first 3 days. These are all official forecasts that WPC has put out. Those Friday and Saturday plots are again an official forecast. The Sunday and Monday plots on the bottom are experimental from WPC, but at this point, those are showing marginal risks continuing through the rest of the holiday weekend. As we take a look at the 8 to 14-day outlook courtesy of the Climate Prediction Center, there is no strong signal towards above normal or below normal temperatures for our area for the first week of June. If you take a look for the first week of June, looking at the precipitation, it is looking like there is a chance of above normal precipitation during that time period. Normal temperatures across our forecast area for early June are in the low to mid 80s for highs and the low to mid 60s for the low temperatures. So again, that weather summary, mostly cloudy but dry today and Friday. The rain will take its time moving in Friday night into Saturday, and then we will have the chance of rain continue all the way through Wednesday. Saturday will especially be a not pleasant day. When we take a look at our hazards and impacts, there will be a risk of excessive rainfall beginning Friday night, continuing all the way through Monday. And then again, that is a Raleigh area 7-day forecast with those particular point values. But you can end up seeing the lower 60s on Saturday, but 70s today, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and we don't even have any 80s in the forecast until at least Tuesday in Raleigh.